Hey guys, welcome back to Alex's Cocktail Club. I'm Alex and this is Cocktail Club. Tonight we're going to make a sex on the beach. It's a pretty nostalgic drink for me. It kind of reminds me of terrible hotel bars by the pool where the drinks are mostly sugar. So we're going to make a sex on the beach and then see if maybe we can improve it at all. I'm going to put it together in a mixing thing because I don't want to fill a glass up with ice and then have a layered drink and it'll be difficult to mix. So we're just going to do it this way. It's a double vodka. And honestly, you could put a single in this drink and it's not going to change the drink very much. You could probably put a quad in there. It's going to be a double orange juice. Going to have a double cranberry. A single of the peach schnapps. Just swirl that about in the glass, that's all it takes. Grab some ice. And there you go. And yeah, it's the peach schnapps is doing the majority of the heavy lifting in there. Can barely taste the vodka. The cranberry and orange. The orange is coming through a lot stronger. Quite a heavy, sickly sweet drink. So maybe we'll see if we can do something a little bit more interesting than that. Take that away. Instead of the vodka, we could put tequila in there. And tequila you can taste. You can always taste tequila. Maybe instead of the orange, we throw some limes in there. Lime's a natural ally to cranberry. So we got a few down here. Here we go. We'll have a double on the tequila. Have a double on the cranberry. Tequila, cranberry. Do a single on the schnapps. And then we'll wish we had some sort of juicer. So that's 1.5 limes in there now. And we're going to strain this because there's quite a lot of lime pulp in there. They look like distant cousins. Oh yeah, I'm on board with this. It's closer to a margarita than the sex on the beach. Maybe we could pump up the sweetness a little bit. Just a little bit more schnapps. Oh yeah. Now we've got a tasty drink on our hands. I don't think you would call this a sex on the beach anymore. So maybe we've got sex on the beach, the classic, and we've got sex on the beach with a towel. It's just better. Yeah, that's good. I'm happy with that. That's it from me tonight. If you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. It really helps me out and it helps other people find this content. Good night. Okay, rinse this out. That's all over me.